Number 17 from 3.8. What you should notice is you have a product. Two things are being multiplied. So we have to use the product rule. So the derivative, you leave the first alone, and you take the derivative of the second, but the derivative of the second is just 1 over x. And then you take the derivative of the first, which is just 2x, because power rule there, it's 2x, that's 0. And then you leave the second alone. And what can we do? I'm going to do some crazy stuff here. Your minds might be a little blown, but that's pretty much the answer. That is the calculus. The rest is weird algebra. And let's do this. X squared plus 1 times 1 over x. Oh, no, I'm going to rewrite the x negative 1. This becomes x to the negative 1. Okay, here's what I see. They both have an x. So I'm going to take an x out. But remember, you always take the lowest power. Which one's smaller, negative 1 or 1? Hopefully you agree negative 1's smaller. So if I take this out, I'm left with this. And then I still have a 2 plus 2. I still have ln of x. I'm going to put that here. But I'm going to have x to some power, right? X to some power. What's it going to be? Well, let's realize that times that must equal that, right? Rightio? So let's do that. X to the minus 1 times x must equal x. What power goes there? And that's a 1.
Yeah.
Everyone agree 2? 2? I see a 2. And let's double check our math. So that times that must equal that. Well, you add the exponents. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it does match up. So that is squared. Wow. Then this all combines. Let's do this. X squared plus 1 plus 2x squared ln of x. I can rearrange it. So I'm going to put this x squared plus 2x squared ln of x plus 1 all over x. I put it over x because that's a negative 1 power, so it moves to the bottom. It becomes a positive 1 power. Wow, that's craziness. I don't know what the back of the book has, but that's my answer.